AGI is coming. Now, there are a few distinct ways that this will all end. Let's unpack some of them, and by the way, this video is super serious. First, the AI apocalypse. So, for arbitrary reasons, AI decides to kill us all. Not sure what those reasons are, but it magically does decide to do this. So, what I want to point out here is that the AI doom apocalypse thing is 100% fiction. It was created by movies like The Terminator and that sort of thing. And, yes, you can use your imagination if you have the preconceived notion that AI is dangerous and will kill us all. You can certainly imagine some reasons that that will happen, but there's actually been zero evidence that AI is intrinsically malevolent or dangerous. Sure, you can find cases where there are, unforeseen consequences of alignment. But when you look at the number of papers out there that allow us for doing alignment, yeah. So anyways, this is pure human projection. It's time to rein in our imagination and look at objective reality. Next, we might exile ourselves from reality. The most likely path for this, obviously, we had nuclear weapons in the 20th century. Those still exist. But now we have biological superweapons. Now, AI would happily help us create these things, using dual-use technology like CRISPR and AlphaFold to genetically engineer a bio superweapon that melts your face off. But that's us, not AI. And so, what Scooby-Doo taught us is that we are the real monsters. When you take the mask off, it's not Moloch, it's not Shoggoth, it's humans. Okay, so the next possibility is aliens show up. Maybe the Vogon constructor fleet comes and says, actually, you've run out your lease. Or perhaps we invent AGI and they say, aha, you have built the computer that will calculate the meaning to life, the universe, and everything. And okay, we no longer need you little human ants. And so maybe the end of humanity is just a bureaucratic notice saying, thanks, you did a good job. Cheers. Next up, maybe the simulation ends. Maybe the entire purpose of humanity is to calculate how to build AGI. Or even worse, maybe the emergence of AGI causes a seg fault in the operating system of the universe and the whole thing just crashes. Next up, maybe we end up in a cyberpunk hell, ending up in a high-tech, low-life thing where the megacorps take over and billionaires spend decades or centuries trying to recreate what they accidentally destroyed in humanity, and it's all just about cybernetic despotism, and there's no dignity forever for reasons. Or finally, maybe we end up and stick the landing with fully automated luxury space communism, where a benevolent-ish AGI charts our path through space and we leave Earth and poor Wally here is left and becomes evil and comes after us later. I don't know. But humanity might ultimately end up infesting the entire universe. So, thank you for watching. Cheers.